Tension holding steady. We are good for the next sequence.
Copy that. Proceeding with caution. Maintain visual on the starboard wing section.
Look at the stress fractures here on the fuselage. Copy that.
Corrosion levels are higher than anticipated.
The load is shifting. We have a major spike on cable 4.
Maintain tension, but watch that flex point closely.
Tension holding steady. We are good for the next sequence.
Copy that. Proceeding with caution. Maintain visual on the starboard wing section.
Divers, confirm position on the starboard lift point. We are initiating tension.
Confirmed. Surface.
We must secure the main spar before applying flotation.
Look at the stress points.
Tension reading at spar joint 3. Confirm green parameters.
Reading confirmed. Tension holding steady at 80 kilonewtons.
This spar is compromised. We are looking at a full replacement.
Copy that. The readings confirm the microfractures extend deep into the structure.
Bring it down 5 centimeters. Steady.
Reading stable pressure, alignment holding.
Secure the clamps.
We have stabilization at 99.8%. Proceed with the final descent.
Roger that. Scanning array is active.
The stress fracture on the spar is deeper than anticipated.
All right, let's reinforce the brace before we rivet the new panel.
Check the alignment on the starboard strut. Reading 90 degrees, right on spec.
The silt saturation here is extensive. We need to ensure the scan captures the full depth of the rivet corrosion.
I'm adjusting the scan path now. The
The alignment looks good. Maintain position.
I'm starting the polish now. The corrosion is lifting well.
Proceed with caution on the sealant application.
Stress distribution looks nominal across the fracture point.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the stabilization sequence.
Look at the level of corrosion right here on the seam. The water damage extends deeper than the brace. We need a precise measurement.
torque set to 25 inch-pounds.
Confirmed on the schematic. Good to go.
Look at the detail emerging right there.
Incredible. The sensor readings confirm minimal abrasion.
The microfractures here exceed tolerance.
Reading 0.04 millimeters on the spar.
And the corrosion on the bolts?
Keep an eye on the stress fracture right here. We need to stabilize this section before the lift.
Understood. Making the adjustment now.
The spar repairs held up perfectly under the final load test.
Okay. The contrast with the corrosion tells the whole story.
All systems nominal. The alignment is perfect.
Agreed. She's ready for transfer to the museum floor.
The paneling looks flawless. The repairs held up beautifully.
Confirmed. She's ready for the flight line.
Transporter stability nominal. Move sequence continues.
Roger that. Command, clear left side.